Hello, friends! Thanks for joining me for Yellow Day! Yellow is our third and final primary color. To recap, we've got red, blue, and yellow for our three primary colors that can be mixed together to make the rest of the colors of the rainbow. How about a quick quiz? Are you ready? What color do you make if you mix together red and blue? That's right, purple! What happens if you mix red and yellow? Yep, orange. How about yellow and blue? You've got it, green. Today's story is called Vincent van Gogh's Cat. Vincent van Gogh is a famous artist. This book was written and illustrated by the second grade students of East Washington Academy in Muncie, Indiana. Vincent van Gogh's cat stepped out of a field of sunflowers, tiptoed around a pond of water lilies, explored an exotic jungle, leaped across a purpled landscape, twirled beneath the tree of life, stretched beneath a flaming sun, danced through a sea of green taffeta, sang to the melody of three musicians, reclined in an artist's moonlit studio, napped near a child in a blue chair, climbed a spiraling starry stair, sniffed petals of a bright red poppy, basked in the warmth of a golden glow, pondered the possibility of 9 lives, and waltzed into a starry night. The end. How cool is it that students just like you made that book? See you later!